Welcome to the enchanting world of mini wooden crafts, where creativity meets craftsmanship and the beauty of nature is transformed into unique decor pieces. In this journey, you'll discover how simple wooden materials can be turned into stunning creations that not only enhance your living space, but also have the potential to generate income. Whether you're a seasoned artisan or a curious beginner, this is a space for everyone to explore the art of woodworking. The tactile experience of shaping wood, combined with the satisfaction of creating something with your own hands, can be incredibly fulfilling. Each project offers an opportunity to express your personal style while embracing the timeless nature of wood as a medium. As you delve into this craft, you'll find that the possibilities are endless. From rustic home decor to modern minimalist designs, mini wooden crafts can cater to various tastes and preferences. This versatility allows you to create pieces that resonate with your personal aesthetic, as well as the desires of potential customers. Moreover, the growing demand for handmade items in today's market presents an exciting opportunity for artisans to turn their passion into profit. Whether you're looking to beautify your home or start a small business, mini wooden crafts offer a fulfilling way to combine artistry with entrepreneurship. Join us as we explore techniques, tips, and inspiration for making the most of your woodcrafting journey. Thank you for joining us on this creative journey through the world of mini wooden crafts. We hope you found inspiration, tips, and techniques that ignite your passion for crafting. If you enjoyed this video and want to stay updated on future projects, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Your engagement means the world to us, so don't forget to like this video and share it with friends and fellow crafting enthusiasts who might benefit from these ideas. Together, we can build a vibrant community of creators, sharing knowledge and inspiration as we explore the endless possibilities of woodworking. Stay tuned for more adventures, and let your creativity shine. The allure of crafting with wood. Crafting with wood has been a cherished tradition across cultures and generations, symbolizing creativity and practicality. The tactile experience of working with wood sanding, shaping, and finishing can be both therapeutic and rewarding. Each piece of wood carries its own character, grain, and history, allowing artisans to create pieces that resonate with personal stories and emotions. This connection to the material can inspire a deeper appreciation for craftsmanship, making every project a meaningful endeavor. As you embark on your crafting journey, you'll discover that the process itself can be as fulfilling as the final product, fostering a sense of pride in your work. Versatility of wood in home decor. The versatility of wood makes it an ideal medium for a wide range of decor styles. Whether your aesthetic leans towards rustic, modern, or eclectic, wood can be adapted to fit any theme. For instance, reclaimed wood can add a vintage charm, while sleek, polished finishes can lend sophistication to contemporary spaces. The ability to customize shapes, sizes, and finishes means that each piece can be tailored to meet the specific tastes of potential buyers. This adaptability not only enhances the appeal of your creations, but also opens doors to a broader market, allowing you to cater to diverse customer preferences. Accessibility of wood crafting. One of the most appealing aspects of mini wooden crafting is its accessibility. Unlike more complex crafts that require specialized tools and extensive training, many wooden projects can be completed with just a few basic supplies. Simple hand tools like saws, sanders, and drills can be sufficient for a variety of projects, making it easy for beginners to get started. This low barrier to entry means that anyone, regardless of skill level, can explore their creativity and potentially turn their passion into a business. As you gain confidence and experience, you can gradually invest in more advanced tools and techniques, expanding your crafting repertoire. Embracing creativity in design. Creativity is the heartbeat of crafting, and wood provides a perfect canvas for your artistic expression. Experimentation is key. By trying out different designs, finishes, and techniques, you can discover what resonates with you and your audience. Consider using various wood types, combining textures, or incorporating mixed media elements to create distinctive pieces. Allowing your imagination to run wild can lead to unexpected and delightful results. Each project can become a unique expression of your style, making your creations not only functional, but also works of art. Understanding market trends. Market research plays a crucial role in the success of any crafting business. By understanding current trends in home decor, you can tailor your creations to meet customer preferences. Pay attention to popular color palettes, styles, and themes that resonate with consumers. Seasonal trends can also influence buying behavior, so being aware of what's in vogue can help you stay relevant. Engaging with potential customers through surveys or social media can provide valuable insights that guide your design process, ensuring that your products align with market demand. Utilizing social media for promotion. The rise of social media has transformed how artisans connect with potential buyers. Platforms like Instagram, Pinterest, and Facebook offer a visual showcase for your crafts, allowing you to reach a wider audience than ever before. High-quality images and engaging storytelling can capture the attention of prospective customers and foster a sense of community around your brand. Sharing behind-the-scenes glimpses of your crafting process not only humanizes your brand, but also builds a loyal following. Consistent engagement with your audience can establish trust and encourage word-of-mouth referrals, amplifying your reach. Connecting through local markets. Participating in local craft fairs and markets can provide invaluable exposure for your mini wooden crafts. These events allow you to interact directly with customers, gaining immediate feedback on your products and pricing. Personal connections can build loyalty, turning casual shoppers into repeat customers. Moreover, networking with fellow artisans can lead to collaborative opportunities, such as joint workshops or co-marketing initiatives. The community aspect of local markets can be immensely rewarding, offering support and inspiration as you navigate your crafting journey. Building a strong brand identity. Creating a recognizable brand is essential for standing out in a competitive marketplace. Your brand should reflect your unique style and values, making it memorable to potential customers. Consider developing a compelling name, logo, and cohesive aesthetic for your online and offline presence. This consistency can enhance your credibility and foster trust among buyers. A strong brand identity not only differentiates you from competitors, but also helps you cultivate a loyal customer base that resonates with your vision and mission. Diversifying your product line. As your crafting business grows, consider diversifying your product offerings. Expanding your range can attract a broader audience and cater to different budgets and tastes. Simple items like keychains or coasters can serve as entry-level products, while more intricate pieces can appeal to those seeking statement decor. Diversification not only enhances your market reach, but also provides opportunities for upselling and cross-selling. This adaptability can be crucial for sustaining your business and ensuring its long-term viability. Thank you for watching the video. We truly appreciate your time and interest in exploring the world of mini wooden crafts with us. If you found value in the content, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more exciting projects and inspiration. Your support helps us continue creating and sharing, so please give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and fellow crafting enthusiasts. Together, we can foster a vibrant community where creativity thrives and ideas flourish. We look forward to bringing you more engaging content, so stay tuned for our next adventure in crafting.